Welcome again to my video, and this is the last video na playlist, and we will focus on the maxima and minima. To answer the problem, a wire 60 feet long has to be formed and per rectangle. What dimension should the rectangle have to maximize the area? So, i-maximize natin yung area. The wire is 10 feet long. So, ito yung magiging perimeter ng rectangle ng 16 feet. So, formula ng perimeter is P is equal to 2x plus 1. And formula naman ng area is equal to xy. And now, compute na natin yung perimeter para mahanap natin yung isang value dito. So, as perimeter is equal to 16 feet is equal to 2x plus y divided by 2 so that we have 8 feet equals x plus y, and 8 minus x is equal to 1. So therefore, nakuha natin yung value ng y. Ilalagay na natin doon sa kabila. So our e is equal to x times, instead of using y, so para maging isa man ang variable natin, we will use this one, 8 minus x. 8 minus x. So, simplify natin muna. This will be x minus x squared. And we will get the first derivative here. E prime is equal to 8 minus 2x. This one. 8 minus 2x, and let's break it into 0. Okay, 8 minus 2x. This will be this will be 2x equals 8, and x equals 4. So our answer is 4, and our y is hindi naman natin. So let's solve to check if that is the maximum or the minimum value. So we will go back here to the first derivative. And let's derive it twice. 0, this will be 0, minus 2, or equal to negative 2. So therefore, this is the maximum value. Maximum value. And that's all on my video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.